This video is sponsored by Utility, more about them later. Today we're going to my top 10 IKEA gems for small spaces. From storage solution to furniture pieces, we are covering everything, so stay with me as we go through all of them. I'm An, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, please consider subscribing, ringing the notification bell, and hitting that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We're starting right off with a sofa solution that's just perfect for small spaces, and that is the Lindagra Sleeper sofa. This is such a standout piece that's specifically designed to address the challenges of small space living without sacrificing comfort, style, or functionality. This is not just a sofa, it's a bed, a chaise lounge, and a storage unit all in one. I love how both the seat section and the ottoman feature built-in storage, and every element is crafted to maximize utility in tight quarters. The detachable ottoman allows you to use it as a chaise for lounging, coffee table, or as an extra seating for guests, all while looking so unique and stylish. This sofa easily converts into a single bed and back into a sofa, plus it comes in 2 color options so you can choose your favorite. Right from the start, 10 out of 10. Next on my list is this cute ottoman with storage. And another clever and stylish piece of furniture that shines in small spaces. It's compact, practical, and so easy to move around, yet it has hidden storage underneath where you can store anything from blankets, cushions, slippers, or even books and magazines. Just leave the top cushion and you'll find a roomy compartment. It works well as a footrest, coffee table, or even as an extra seat when guests come over, making it such a multifunctional piece to have in your home overall. I especially like this light gray color with the leather handle detail, it looks so good. And when we're talking about multifunctional pieces of furniture that work perfect for small spaces, you just have to see this extendable bed with storage. This bed is another compact and versatile solution designed to maximize functionality in small spaces. Crafted from solid pine, it features a natural, untreated finish that can be customized with oil, wax, or paint for enhanced quality and personalized aesthetics. What I'm obsessed with are the 2 spacious storage boxes on casters that are not only providing you storage but can also act as bedside tables, which is so smart. I especially love its minimalist Scandinavian design, making it work in any style, plus the fact that it is made out of pine wood makes it a quality piece of furniture that will serve you for many years to come. Now let's take a quick break so I can tell you a bit about what has been going on in my life lately. As you probably all know, I'm 7 months pregnant. However, I've always been an active person and that hasn't changed throughout my pregnancy journey. And what's been helping me stay consistent with my fitness routine throughout the past few months is Get Healthy You TV, which is the sponsor of today's video. Get Healthy You TV is my go-to resource for fun and motivating at-home workouts led by upbeat, certified fitness professionals that motivate me and guide me to keep going anytime, anywhere. I'm currently obsessed with their cardio strength, which are these deep cardio drill sessions coupled with strength exercises that work so good on my muscle endurance. I'll be needing my upper body muscles stronger pretty soon. And whether you're just starting out or you're a real fit queen, there is something for everyone. Meditation, dance, yoga, kickboxing, chair workouts, you name it. Not to mention, it streams on any device, so I can just press play whenever I have free time and instantly feel like I'm a part of this super motivating squad that believes in me every step of the way. So don't wait a second longer and join me on this journey. The first 1,000 of you to click the link below will get a full year of premium membership for only $149. This is for new members only. So finish this video, hit that link, join the community, and let's stay stronger together. Now back to our Ikea gems. Another find that's perfect for smaller spaces is the JUTTERSBO Utility cart. This one is such a compact, versatile storage solution designed to enhance small spaces with both functionality and style. Its round three-tier design allows it to fit seamlessly into tight corners and narrow areas, making it ideal for kitchen, bathrooms, bedrooms, or hallways. It has 4 wheels and a top handle, making it super easy to move wherever you need it. Whether you use it as a mobile kitchen assistant, a bathroom organizer, or a bedside table, it will be a practical and stylish addition, improving any compact living space. Another Ikea gem for small spaces I absolutely love is the ÖVNING Utility cart. This one is a standout storage solution especially designed with flexibility and compact living in mind. It fits easily into tight corners or under desks while providing a great space for organizing books, stationery, craft supplies, or daily essentials. It has smooth rolling casters, which means you can easily roll it from room to room wherever you need extra storage. It offers 3 tiers of organization without taking up much floor space, which is a critical advantage in small apartments or rooms. And although this one is originally designed for children's room, it can be used anywhere around your home, from the office to the kitchen, even the hallway or bedroom. And when we're talking about the office, another find that's ideal for smaller spaces is the VATTENKAR Desktop shelf. This shelf instantly boosts your workspace organization, making great use of vertical storage. It attaches directly to your desk or table using screw mounts, which means no drilling required. The shelves can be mounted into 3 different positions, and you can place it against a wall, between 2 desks, or wherever it fits best without taking up extra space. I just love how versatile this shelf is. It fits even the smallest desks while providing valuable extra storage for office supplies, plants, or other personal items. Moving on to chairs, one of my favorite Ikea chairs that is perfect for smaller spaces is the beautiful Mafala Chair. This simple and stylish chair is an Ikea classic from the 70s that was given a new look this year. It's perfect for smaller homes since it offers a comfortable seating without overwhelming the room. Its lightweight construction and sleek profile make it easy to move and reposition as needed. I love how it's foldable, so you can fold it up and store it away when you're not using it. However, unlike many folding chairs, the Mafala offers a generously sized seat and a comfortable angle, making it suitable for longer periods of sitting. It's ideal for multi-purpose rooms, small apartments, or as an extra seating for guests. All in all, compact, timeless, and robust, loving it so much. Another chair that works great in small spaces is the SIGTRYGG Dining Chair. This chair is thoughtfully designed for small spaces thanks to its blend of comfort, practicality, and space-saving features. One of the standout qualities of this chair is the ability to be stacked. This means that you can easily store multiple chairs in a corner or a closet when not in use, freeing up precious floor space. It also has a streamlined silhouette that fits neatly around small dining tables or desks without overwhelming the room. Its minimalist, modern design means that it works well as a dining chair, desk chair, or an occasional seat in any room. It's available in a variety of wood veneer finishes and underframe colors, allowing it to blend seamlessly with different decor styles. An Ikea gem that is perfect for smaller kitchens is the Hularp dish drainer. This is such a compact drainer that can fit on most countertops without occupying excessive space. However, what makes it a real gem is the fact that it can actually be hanged on a rail, giving you options to free up valuable counter space, which is so smart. It also has a tray that collects the water from the draining dishes, keeping the countertop dry and tidy at all times. All in all, a space-saving design that will fit even in the smallest kitchens. And lastly, an IKEA gem that's perfect for smaller bathrooms is the Frosion over-the-toilet shelf. And again, another standout solution for small bathrooms, transforming the often wasted space above your toilet into valuable, organized storage. It's designed to fit perfectly over the toilet, providing 3 tiers of open shelving for storing toilet paper, cleaning supplies, bottles, and detergents, keeping essentials off the floor and within easy reach. Made from powder-coated steel, it's durable and easy to wipe clean, and it's perfect for humid bathroom environments. All in all, a space-saving, practical, and stylish storage solution that's a true gem for smaller bathrooms. And that's a wrap for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know which product was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to never miss another video again. Next week, we are tackling the IKEA kitchen section, and honestly, you just don't want to miss that one. Thank you again so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Look at this baby. Look at how he sleeps. Oh my god, Mars, you're such a baby. What will you do when the baby is here? You will both sleep side by side. Sleep, little Mars. Love you guys. See you next week.